Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This time I am reviewing Ohuhu brush pen set of 100. These are double-sided brush pens with fine liner on one side and brush the other. Now let's talk about its price and reviews. Ohuhu brush pens come in a huge variety of shades and colors. If you're looking for a smaller pack, then you can go with the 36 shades, 60 shades or even 80. But if you want more than this, then you can go with the pack of 120 shades. I got this pack of 100 for rupees 1880, which makes one brush pen around 18 rupees. A Camlin brush pen, for example, costs 15 rupees per brush pen and Dom's for 17. And Tombow, don't ask. It's like 250 per brush pen. Now let's try blending on A4 size sheet, or also known as printer paper. If you guys want a tutorial on brush lettering, then let me know in the comments below. It wasn't wise using printer paper for this. It's an absolute nightmare. It does not blend properly, and the paper, it gets a little muddy also. Always use watercolor paper. So this is the first method that we are going to try for blending, using a very light grey brush pen and then using the other 2-3 colors on it. Here's the method 2 without using any marker for the base. Now let's move on to the method 3, using water. Now let's see if we can use them as watercolors too. Here's a quick swatch test of a few colors. In the end, I would say that go for these with no doubt at all. I've been using them from the past 1 month and they show great results. So if you guys found this video informative, then comment me down below. Also, if you're going to buy them, then let me know. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.